WordPress doesn't come with a contact form by default, so we're going to need to install what's known as a plugin. Plugins are basically extra functionality that we can add to our WordPress website or blog, things like contact forms, share buttons, and things like that. To add a plugin to our site, we just need to head over to our dashboard by clicking our site title at the top. Then on the left hand side, just click where it says plugins, and then up at the top, click add new. The plugin we're going to be using for our contact form is called Contact Form 7, so just type that into the search bar in the top right. So that's the word contact, the word form, and then the number 7. Once you type that in, just hit return on your keyboard to search. It should be the first result, and when you find it, just click here where it says install now. Similar to with a theme, WordPress is going to download the plugin automatically, and you just need to click here where it says activate plugin. Once the plugin's been activated, you'll see that there's a new option on the left hand side that says contact. Just click there. Now underneath where it says shortcode, just right click this coding and click copy. This is what's known as the shortcode for the contact form that's already built when you install Contact Form 7. The default contact form will ask for the visitor's name, email address, the subject of their message, and their message. So for most cases this form does perfectly. So just right click the shortcode and copy it, and now we can add the page we're going to add it to, which is our Contact Us page. So on the left hand side, just click where it says pages, and then up at the top click add new. Then same as before with our About Us page, we'll give this page a title, and because this is going to be our Contact Us page, I'm going to call mine Contact Us. Then if you click in the main contents area underneath, you can type any text you want to appear before your form. So I'm just going to type, if you need to get in contact with us for any reason, you can fill out the form below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Then once you've typed any text you want to appear before your contact form, just hit return on your keyboard. I suggest maybe hitting it again so there's a nice gap between the text and the form itself. Once you've typed in the text and hit return a couple of times on your keyboard, then you can just right click and paste in the shortcode that we copied earlier for the contact form. Then in the bottom right, under where it says select layout, just select no sidebar full width, and then you can click publish on the top right. Now if we view the page, we'll see that our Contact Us page is live. It has our text here before the form, and then our contact form is live. So if you were to fill out your name, email address, subject, message, and click send, it will now send an email to the email address you have associated with your website. Now if you want to change the email address associated with the contact form, I'll show you how to do that now. You just need to head back over to the dashboard by clicking your site title at the top. Then on the left hand side click settings, and then here beside where it says email address, you just need to type in the email address you'd like to use for your contact form. Then once you've typed it in, just scroll down and click save changes, and now that will be the new email address associated with your contact form.